你諗下打
你唔好嘈啊！你每次講你唔好嘈啊，你要自己諗下，每次你講你唔好嘈啊，你就變低咗佢嗰個voice。
但係對方嗰個反應係話，馬上就教育我孩子，佢就話這個是壞孩子，你沒有教育好你孩子，這麼會亂打人的。Hello， 大家好，歡迎又翻嚟 Parents Daily， 我係 Cam，
我係 Felicia。
咁今日我哋講 topic 咧係都係我新鮮滾熱辣發生嘅事，因為最近我仔成日打人啊，就係琴日啱啱 church 爭玩具咯，跟住佢會我見到佢雙手咁樣捏住對方嘅隻手咁樣樣啦，跟住就唔中意，即係就一嘢隻手就篩過去啦。點搞啊？但係我又覺得係即係每個小朋友，即係就算學校佢都會俾人打嘅，都會有打人咁樣樣。
Actually， 呢啲係好 common because for a child, right? Young children, toddlers 2歲幾啊、3歲啊，係啱啱返學啊，啱啱有 like community 啊，play among the friends 啊咁樣嘅樣。So 做咩會發生咧 ？Because same thing, they do not have the skill to handle the situation. That's why what they can 佢哋諗到嘅只係嚟 maybe 係喊，佢會搶snatching, biting, hitting. All this is common. It happens. So when 有咁樣嘅事情發生咧 ，usually 我哋會過去同佢講quickly intervene and 同佢講 no. Use a very
有冇幾步咁樣樣㗎
？Yes, very simple, very fast, quick and simple. 因為佢呢啲 hitting, snatching 呢啲有可能會 hurt 到另外一方面㗎嘛，所以要好快 no. Then if you are biting, no biting. Then no biting 做咩嘢？
有咩 keyword 係
Because it's painful. No biting, painful. For young children, maybe 2歲啱有牙嗰時啊，最
好痕啊
Yes so 有一啲會 bite. So very fast, very quickly intervene and say no biting, painful. So 好簡單3隻字啫。No biting, painful. So
no hitting 唔可以打。
No hitting, pain. 咁樣嘅樣for 最細㗎啦，呢個係最簡單啦。咁of course like 4歲好少會發生啦 ，but then hitting 呢啲嘢都仲會嘅，4、5、6咁樣你都仲會發生嘅。So for older 嘅咧，你就可以再俾多啲 input， 俾多啲 reasoning， 做咩嘢你唔可以咁樣做啊 ？But we start with the youngest 啦。For youngest, what we do is like very quick intervene and tell no biting, painful. Don't do this. Then
如果佢繼續咧
，stop 佢，
即刻
once 佢 happen 係咪1次 and then 2次 OK？
佢哋唔會即刻停。
1次、2次、3次咁樣係咪？佢 happen 咗，你知道佢有咁嘅 history 啦。跟住個 teacher 咧就會啄住佢噶啦。Whatever situation， 你知道呢個係 prone to biting or hitting 嘅，佢一定係喺個 teacher 嘅範圍入邊咗。所以你嗰個 teacher 係咪 usually 係會喺佢嗰個附近，佢唔會放佢太遠。你放佢太遠，你自己好艱難 handle，因為太遠嘅話，有咩事發生，你救唔到嗰個
其他人
another person。So 我哋就會 OK，once 佢咁樣發生，我第一次提示 ，when you know he's prone to this or she is prone to this，then you have to be around this child，and then this child has to be near the teacher。盯住佢咯。Then every time 發生，你就要同佢講 no。做咩唔可以？因為好痛 ，because 咧嗰個 child 係會 understand 係痛嘅。then 你要同佢講，你可以做啲乜嘢 ？So no hitting， 你會知道噶嘛？咩事發生你睇到噶嘛？usually 係好簡單嘅事啦。去愛嗰樣嘢，佢攞唔到，then 佢就會用呢啲方法咯。then 你會同佢講 ，OK，if you want， you have to wait for your turn。So teacher when eagle eye 嗰時，佢就知道佢愛呢樣嘢啦。咁樣佢就會同另外一個細路仔講 ，OK，everyone 3 minutes share，OK。Then another person depends on 佢幾多歲啦。Usually 佢都會過咗時間，個 teacher 睇住嘅話咧 ，teacher 會eagle eye and then 講過咗時間 and then time to share with another person。So 呢個 biting hitting 呢個 child 咧，佢就會學到咯。 I need to wait when somebody is playing. Then if you want something, then you have to ask permission or you have to wait for your turn and share.
咁如果喺屋企發生咧，朋友咁樣樣咧，呢啲方法點樣樣？即係家長點樣 apply 落去？
點樣朋友發生？冇住先，你俾我講埋先。
哦，OK。
So 我哋仲會同佢講，你嘅手唔係攞嚟打人㗎。
呢句
So it's not acceptable. And then you cannot do like this. If you want something, you have to come to teacher for help, or you have to communicate how to communicate to your peers that I want this, I want to play. Then you should wait for your turn. And what is your hand for? 我哋會同佢解釋，你嘅 hand 唔係攞嚟 hurt 人㗎。This is not acceptable. 唔得，每次你咁樣做，我哋會 remove 你，你會坐響一個corner 咁樣，俾佢自己冷靜
一下。
要 calm down， 因為2歲就2 minutes， 3歲就3 minutes。calm down after you calm down， 我哋解釋咗俾佢聽 ，then OK， 佢要講 sorry 咯，因為你打人定係咩嘛，咁樣講咗 sorry 之後 OK， 佢就明白。
呢一 part 就好多家長塞落去間，佢死都唔肯講 sorry。係咪 sorry 就 OK 㗎啦 ？file 即係 close 㗎啦。
即係佢坐喺嗰度啦，
坐咗先。
我會俾你 time out 先啦，因為你整到人哋好痛啦。所以 when you're like that, you're not respectful. I have to remove you from the play。一下咯，2 minutes, 3 minutes according to age, and then 跟住咧，等佢 calm down. You need to calm down. When 嗰個 child calm down 咗，你先正同佢講道理。你唔好響嗰個 child emotional 嗰時，因為係 when 係 biting all this 你 remove 佢係攞唔到佢嘢，有可能佢係會喊緊嘅。所以你要等佢 calm down 咗啦，你要同佢講，你咁樣係唔啱㗎，你嘅手係攞嚟做咩㗎？你手係攞嚟錫人啊、幫人啊、
嚇人啊。
你中唔中意？如果 teacher 你咁樣做 teacher 一巴冚落去，你都係唔中意嘛。所以佢會其實係好直接嘅，佢會知道係唔啱，then 佢就會講 sorry 咯。所以嗰啲好硬頸唔講 sorry 嘅話，我哋都會 find out 一個 way 去俾佢俾佢 understand，and then understand from the parents what happened to this child，why is this child so stubborn or willful 啦。有啲真係好硬頸，唔講就唔講。
因為你講緊呢個 setting 喺學校嘛，咁如果喺屋企，即係而家睇翻係一樣，都係一樣嘅 step 嘅啫。因為我會唔會覺得咧，先生係先生，阿媽係阿媽，佢哋會有唔同嘅態度。
會啊，所以佢會知道唔同嘅。Once 佢 conscious 有 conscious mind 3歲咗，你就會知道
邊個可以做乜，邊個
係點樣㗎？嗰個咧我可以踩界線嘅，咁樣呢個咧唔踩得嘅。我幫你講，我個細路仔啦，教到咁大個咗啦，17歲我最大嘅 boy 係。我好 consistent 嘅，所以佢會知道乜嘢仗係應該打，咩仗係唔應該打，所以佢已經知道咗我個界線係喺嗰度，冇噶啦，冇得傾噶啦。嗰個界線就係佢好清楚我個界線，所以咧就冇咁多嚟踩界線
drama 嘅 in and out， 因為呢啲係好煩噶嘛，即係你講到打或佢你見到。你個仔搶人嘢，或者係冇話邊個啱邊個錯咁樣啦。但係父母點樣去介入成個過程？因為唔係，因為你而家講翻呢個係我講翻，好似我之前有同你講過，我哋翻香港嗰陣時喺嗰個公園嗰度咧，我仔2歲嗰陣時，跟住玩嗰個企喺嗰度，跟住踢咗落個女仔塊面嗰度，哇死咯！即係去旅行好開心噶嘛，但我一見到佢湊佢嗰個咧，我話仲死梗啊！即係上由心生嗰樣嘢咧，你見到個嫲嫲定係婆婆，應該不好惹的，應該即係。Mainland China 係講華語嘅，跟住就落嚟我踢一踢，佢踢一踢，跟住佢係俾人打嗰個啦，個孫女咁梗係肯定係即刻洗我噶啦，跟住我就同佢講到佢嗰啲係真係我覺得算呢場仗唔打得住，就走，跟住對不起咁樣，但係對方嗰個反應係話馬上就教育我孩子，佢就話這個是壞孩子，你沒有教育好你孩子，這麼會亂打人的。我望佢， 佢個女唔係佢個仔，佢個孫女我諗4歲啦，都大隻過我個仔㗎啦，2歲。跟住話嗱。阿姨就坐低同佢講，但係佢一直隔離，佢好煩啊！佢一直好似教佢個女嚟憎恨我哋，即係個小朋友咁樣樣啊！即係我想就係講就係，就算你個女、你個孫女俾人打，你係咪應該去教佢去 forgive 咧？同時間呢啲嘢，因為佢一直係就即係話你即係講到話你唔好帶佢出嚟玩啊，去周圍打人咁樣樣。跟住我咁嗰陣時都有準備同你開 podcast， 我都讀咗少少書，都冷靜少少，咁咪同佢炒大鑊啦！我話咩事啊你咁樣樣，大家出嚟玩 playground 係好公平噶嘛，但係小朋友，因為你同佢講小朋友打罵，佢哋唔明噶嘛，一定係佢啱晒噶嘛。
第一咧就要 recognize 嗰個大人湊另外一邊湊佢嗰個大人咧，佢嗰個 parenting method 唔同 ，so 我哋知道係唔同，跟住咧再拆開嚟講係我哋唔係。針對人，我哋係針對嗰個事。係啦，有一件事發生咗，有一個細路仔踢到另外一個人喺個 playground 嗰度，所以我哋要點樣處理咧 ？Usually 嚟，我哋處理係同嗰個踢人嘅講係唔啱㗎，你要道歉啊咁樣，所以就去道歉咯，道歉完就唔做好啦。Let's say stop 一下，佢唔肯我個仔㗎。因為佢都唔明成件事，我話你行埋嚟一定係，我都未講完，佢已經篩咗落去，我死啦！咁樣好似頭先我咁樣講，嗰個事發生咗 ，and then 個 child 就叫佢道歉咯。有冇踢人係唔啱㗎，唔可以咁嘅樣啊！then 道咗歉之後咧，就錫到啦。咁樣。仲有一件事就係你講嘅冇錫到，因為嗰個大人一直響度，好似 discriminate
不要跟他玩啊！不要跟他玩，走開咁樣。
你響咁嘅情況入邊咧，你已經知道另外嗰個大人係 different parenting method， 同埋佢係唔接受人哋嘅道歉嗰種係咪 ？To me I will。做好自己嘅本分咯，我會 scoop 我仔，我哋
即刻走
，get out of the situation，and then 同你嘅仔再講啦，發生咩事咩嘢，因為佢都會聽到噶嘛，係點樣講佢，係點樣 label佢。
嗰個已經係唔識聽人話咗，我話哇，即刻揞住佢。
就算你點樣同佢 reason， 我會覺得。講下咪有可能鬧交添啊！
我哋應該會上 Facebook。
你明知個 wavelength 唔同嘅話係咪唔同？唔同層次，所以唔同觀念，所以講落去都冇意思，就會 scoop 去走咯。
所以係即係小朋友打鬧係好似咧你頭先講嗰啲方法。
And then sometimes 你會俾人哋 discriminate 講佢好快啊咩？但其實佢唔係快，佢係我唔係俾一個green pass 佢
一個免死，你之前話免死金牌，因為係咯，你就話
at his age 有啲佢唔係好大嘛，係2-3歲咁樣，佢哋係發育唔夠，佢冇嗰個 skill 去 handle。That's why if we understand the child development right， 我哋就唔會亂咁嚟咯。我哋會知道佢哋都 handle 唔到啦，我哋就要 handle。
嗱，你講亂咁嚟呢個好多嘢講，可以講多一陣。嗱，有好多種嘅，我未生之前或者係生咗之後開始有呢啲，我就覺得佢打教佢打翻去咯。有幾種啦，打翻去咯，睇下邊個贏咯。以牙還牙嘛，即係你要保護自己。我覺得係尤其是生女嗰啲啦。你要保護自己啊，係啱㗎。佢打翻你，你打翻佢。我唔係咯，
我唔知道人哋點樣諗。有一啲咧，佢哋有啲大人咧，佢哋係覺得我要 protect 我自己嘅細路仔，人哋打佢嘅話，我要叫佢打翻佢咁嘅樣。But to me， 我自己有一個界線就係。No matter what， 你俾人打都好，你要 reach out to teacher， 要同一個大人講你要咁樣處理，你唔可以用
verbal 先
暴力去處理
第一下暴力咯。因為而家
我覺得細路仔響嗰個 environment 唔會差到講去邊度啦。
係咁周圍
你一定要教佢，因為呢個都係要 start from home。home 要俾到佢個 security，and 要俾到佢嗰個 time to express 佢嘅 emotion. So if you do this at home and it's healthy at home, then they will be confident enough when they go out, they will be confident enough to express when anything happen.
因為你而家講緊 school bully 又係
Yes, school
我哋而
bully
家
有時有好多佢唔敢去
因為
express，因為有可能我唔係講一定係有可能佢嘅家庭入邊，佢係 home 入邊，佢
做錯
冇發聲權，即係講你未必太 strict 喎，係
就嚟啦
佢冇嗰個
出口位定係
佢冇嗰個 home culture that I have this I can express。 Yes， 有啲咧好驚啊，佢唔敢講啊。Even reach out to teacher， 佢都話好驚青唔敢。
所以我覺得家長嘅出發點let's say 教翻佢打或者報係啱，因為我覺得我如果我係家長，我將來話佢要學識保護自己，但我覺得好似漏咗一 part 係中間就話你要講咗先啦 ，verbal 先。
你嘅解決我係唔 support violence against violence，so 我嘅解決係 anything happen because at home I use positive discipline，I give them a voice，so they know they have a voice，they are confident enough，then even if they are put in any other situation， 去俾人蝦定係乜嘢，佢唔會驚啊，佢會講啊，
佢會講先
佢會出聲啊。But then let's say if you are not from a home which by 你會 encourage 佢 to express， 有可能去有一啲地方好似嚟㗎，好似今日你翻學咁樣，佢喊你就 shut 佢 down。你冇喊啊！我而家 rush 緊，
好煩啊！我而家要做呢樣做嗰樣，你知唔知你好煩
？They are in this type of culture，then 佢哋嘅 voice 都冇
俾壓咗落去，
俾人壓住咗，所以佢哋冇嗰個 confidence 係咪？佢 voice out 同埋 express，
其實
is not secure enough and safe enough for them to voice out。嗰個 environment 之下長大嘅話係咪？佢哋大個咗，有可能佢哋有咩事情啊，佢哋會好急青啊，then 唔敢去講啊。
好多係咁
It depends on how you handle 啦。But then for me， 我好肯定我係唔會用 violence against violence，because 我會知道我嘅教育方式 from young，I teach them how to express，and they are very safe in a condition whereby they feel safe and secure and confident. It won't happen。係
咯。因為呢一樣就我覺得而家新呢個教育方式咧，
咁 of course 啦。如果真係你唔會俾嗰個人打到你死咗，你都唔還手啦，啱冇啊？如果 under this kind of circumstances， 你就愛還手去救你自己啦。我覺得好少會有咁樣嘅嘢係。
我頭先想講就係因為而家我哋講緊呢個新嘅positive，
所以每次你 parents。
你諗下打，
你唔好嘈啊！你每次講你唔好嘈啊，你要自己諗下。每次你講你唔好嘈啊，你就變低咗佢嗰個voice，佢嘅 right to express。I think they are human being as well. Even they are young, they have the right to tell you their feelings, and then it's actually 好 normal 嘅嘢，每個人都有 feelings， 所以你要俾佢有個 expression，but you can express it to me in a respectful way，not like with a harsh tone 冇禮貌嘅 tone。
因為我頭先想講就係因為我哋唔係咁樣大㗎嘛，我覺得即係你聽緊，你想試係真係 step by step 去試。頭先我哋而家講緊係打啊，或者係俾人打，或者係點樣教佢做人啦。OK，我哋都係講翻你保護自己啊。因為我媽爸睇唔到你咁耐啦嘛，20歲你就自己自力更生呢啲嘢係父母嗰邊，我覺得都有少少難度咯。佢自己要拿捏到嗰個位啊，因為真係你忍唔住洗咗落去，你都有得補救嘅，係有得補救嘅。大家係咯，大家 reconcile 咯嗰個關係。
係啦，最好就唔需要到咁樣嘅程度啦。
係啊，唔好咁樣樣咯。係啊，哇！估唔到講呢個 topic 講到去
no violence，no
violence，no
violence against violence。
係啊，係啊。OK，thank you，拜拜。